Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how you can play with your friends in Free Fire. So this tutorial is going to be very helpful. So if this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to become friends with each other. Let's see how you can do it. So first of all, you have to find the UID of your friend. For example, my UID of this profile is, if I click on this profile icon on the top left corner, I'll get an UID here, and that is 17049400107. So this is my UID. According to you, normally you have to click on your friend's profile and you will get the exact number like this. So if I show you the tutorial from my friend's profile, then if I click on the profile, I'll get an UID here, and that is 990400088. So you have to search the exact UID whenever you are trying to add him. So to add your friend, click on this friend icon, click again on this add icon and enter the UID here. So the UID was 990400088 and click on this OK button. And now click on this plus friend icon. And now your friend is going to receive a notification. You can click on this accept button to accept the friend request, or you can click on this friend icon again and click on these applications. You will see the notifications that your friend has sent a friend request to you. Click on this check mark to receive the friend request. And now if you want to play with your friend, normally click on this arrow icon and you will see your friend is online. Click on this plus icon and your friend will receive a notification, and that's it. Your friend is now in your lobby. So as a beginner, you can play Clash Squad mode with your friends. So normally choose Clash Squad from here and then click on this start icon to start the match. And within a few seconds, the match is going to be started. So that's all about today's video, how you can play Free Fire with your friends. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, till then take care and goodbye, Allah Hafiz.